If you want to change the logo on Debutify and you want to learn how to upload SVG files, then stick around. So first of all, when we're inside the Debutify theme, head to Header, Navigation, Navigation Type, and as you can see, this is on the left-hand side. If we want to change the size, we can just go down to the logo size. And right now, we're not using default inverted or mobile, we're using an SVG logo. So how do we actually upload that? If you head back into Shopify, go to your online store and themes, and then go to Actions, Edit Code, go to Assets, and then you just want to add a new asset, choose a new file. Now I've already uploaded the Debutify logo, so I don't need to do that. And we can just see down here all the SVG logos that we have uploaded. Now what you want to do is just take this text here and go back into Debutify and make sure that it lines up with this default. Nice and easy. Just some things to note. You need to crop the logo as close as possible to the image and make sure there's no space around it. If the logo is small on mobile devices, please just adjust the mobile header logo width. Sweet, and there you go.